you can see it, beginner mode. That would be me. Well, I guess this qualifies as living and learning too, doesn't it? After a fashion.
I would say so.
First flight of the Mavic Pro. Well, previous generation Mavic Pro. This is Mavic Pro 1. I know Mavic Pro 2 is currently on the market, but we're poor, so we bought that one. All right, takeoff. Automatic takeoff. 4 feet initial hover. It was supposed to go to 4 feet and hover, and it did not do that. And then, when it got down to here, it said it wasn't safe to land, but I made it land. I don't know why either of those two things happened.
Maybe the radio cell tower.
Well, we're a couple of 100 yards away. Oh, with precise takeoff mode enabled, the aircraft will automatically do 20 feet. This allows the aircraft to return more accurately. All right, let's do it 4 feet first to make sure it works like it's supposed to then. All right, slide to take off. There we go. Strong wireless interference. So yeah, that tower is affecting us. Well, not affecting us, but it's definitely registering.
Mm-hmm.
It just says fly with caution.
Mm.
Alright, let's try to take off. Starting the video now. I'm raising the altitude. I'm descending it. I'm going to take it out. Remember that it's the opposite of my direction because it's facing me.
Oh.
If I were to turn it around and then do the same motion, there we go. This way. That'd be good. Through the controller, not while looking at it.
Boys and their toys.
I'm gonna get him out in the left field a little bit, and then I'll see about returning to home. Alright, let's hit return to home and see what happens. Return to home and land. Here we go.
Um, here it comes.
Camera stop. Well, it works, and I didn't lose it. That's the main thing. I think this thing is a problem. So I guess before I really get into any kind of in-depth self-training, I'm gonna find a better location without so much cellular AM/FM transmission interference. But I'm happy. I mean, I got it off the ground. Again, I didn't crash it. I didn't lose it. For me, that's a win-win. Hopefully by the end of the year, maybe I'll be comfortable enough with it that I can get some useful footage with it.